Seshadri Chari of the BJP will have a tough time defending this tonight, and with him in the studios in Delhi is Devendra Rana of the National Conference, who gets a chance to jab at the BJP. And why not? The BJP is on the defensive, should be on the defensive tonight for supporting a pro-Pakistan chief minister. Also debating tonight from our studios in Delhi is Rashneek Khair, the very vocal founder member of Roots in Kashmir. We have two voices from the PDP tonight, so they don't complain they're not represented. Zafar Miraj, leader of the PDP, is also joined right corner of the screen by Firdaus Tak, MLC of the PDP, and Ajay Kumar, spokesperson of the Congress. Despite the Congress party's own hypocrisy, many hypocrisies, in fact, as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, would appear to have the upper hand on this debate. Let's debate this. Gentlemen, I want to start with the representatives of the BJP. Who do you want to reform? Masrat Alam, you want to reform him? Zafar Miraj, you want to reform a man who is best known for masterminding the stone pelting agitation that left 112 people killed? You want to reform the man who coined the slogan, "Go India, go back"? You want to reform the man who is saying Pakistan must come in and spend money and cash, and we will allow them to cash in on the support that they give to the separation of the Kashmir Valley from India? I mean, who do you want to support, and why are you doing this? Now we are told you want to release 10,000 others. You want to release 10,000 others. Why are you doing this? I want you to build up whatever explanation you have, and then we'll get into the debate. Zafar Miraj, maybe you want to start, please.
You're asking me?
Yeah, please, Mr. Miraj, go ahead.
Arnab, I beg to say, Arnab, that you have proved a bad judge. Even before I had to say something, I had to put my arguments before you. You have passed the judgment. Mufti is anti-national, Mufti is pro-Pakistan, Mufti is Pakistani, Kashmiris are separatists.
I didn't say Mufti is Pakistani, I said Mufti is pro-Pakistan. I'm sorry, Zafar ji. I said Mufti is pro-Pakistan. Yeah. There's a difference between saying he's Pakistani and pro-Pakistan. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. What is the fault of Mufti? The biggest news item this time, that is matter of discussion, is release of Masrat Alam. And Masrat Alam was released or detained by Mufti Muhammad Saeed. I show you the Supreme Court order. It's dated to 2013, when Umar Abdullah and his Congress was in power in Jammu and Kashmir. On the writ petition filed by Masrat Alam challenging his detention, the National Conference or state government, then state government, instead of filing a counter affidavit against Masrat Alam's petition, said before the court the detention orders passed against him have already been revoked.
One second. I have an article of Masrat Alam. One second. I have an article of Masrat Alam. One second. You want to quote? Let's quote. I have an article of Masrat Alam where he says, let us sacrifice so Islam prevails here. We hope and pray for Pakistan's stability, and we want to be freed from India's slavery. One. Question number two, in 2010, 1 minute. Sir, 1 second. In 2010, he also says, we are going to take the war to the logical conclusion. What is that logical conclusion that you will allow him to take the war to? Rashneek Khair? Rashneek Khair, to this legal argument that is being built up by Zafar ji. Would you like to come in, please? No, sir, it's an open debate. We'll take everyone in. Rashneek.
No, let me complete.
No, sir, let Rashneek counter you, then you come.
Let me complete. Let Zafar just YouTube and see that he gives a call to arms. He asks young people to take up arms. He is clearly saying that we want to establish the rule of Islam here, which means no infidels should live in this country, and we should get rid of India from Kashmir. He wants it to make a Darul Islam. And he is invoking even 9-year-old young children to take up arms against the Indian nation. Now, what kind of a logic is Zafar Miraj giving? You know, Zafar Miraj has a history also. Let me tell you, Arnab. He was one of the first people. Allow me to speak, Zafar Miraj. I did not intervene when you were speaking. Allow me to speak. Zafar Miraj was one of the first people who wrote in Outlook that Bitta Karate, a man responsible for killing of 40 Kashmiri Pandits, should be released. Did you or did you not, Zafar Miraj? Tell me. So Zafar Miraj is hand in glove with the people who are ruling Jammu and Kashmir today, especially the PDP.
Arnab, let me speak. Let me finish first with the point I was
So
raising.
my only
That it was
question
Umar
to you
Abdullah's
is, no, that was
government
Rashneek. That was Rashneek. My only question to you,
I'm not-
you tell me or Firdaus tells me. You
know,
tell me or
Arnab,
Firdaus tells
my
me.
credentials are
How
clear.
can a person?
Whatever I am in presence of you, in your friend.
Zafar
I'm
Miraj,
black and white.
my
I don't
only
need anybody
question
to
to you
defend
is,
me. I'm
my question to
national,
you is,
anti-national.
my question to you is that the Chief Minister says, your government says that Masrat Alam's release is an effort to further peace. Tell me, how is it going to be an effort to further peace when the only record of this man is of creating a situation of violence and terror and terrorism in the Kashmir Valley?
Chief Minister only directed the Home Department to prepare a list of the political prisoners against whom there are no criminal cases.
He is not a political
who have no
prisoner.
criminal
He
background.
is not a political
And
prisoner.
For that,
He is not a political prisoner.
Now let me finish.
Speak.
Let me finish. I'll tell you. There is no terrorism case against Masarat Alam.
But what is organizing interest against India? This is treachery. This is worse.
He has not taken the gun. He is for all
But he is organizing. He is a mobster. He is a mobster. He is waging war against this nation. That is worse.
Okay, you make a speech.
No, you make your speech, but don't talk. You know, don't mislead people.
What? This is not general law here.
First of all,
we are living in a democracy.
Sure, in a
you believe
democracy,
in
but let's be
democracy.
real in this
You
situation.
believe in democracy.
No, let's be
You
real
ask
in this
for-
situation. I'd
you
like to.
ask
No, one
for-
second.
You cannot
Let's
let anybody else tell it.
one second. Let's be real in this situation.
I'm
Gentlemen, 1
definitely a
minute.
national
I'm getting Ajay Kumar and Firdaus into the debate. Let's be real in this situation. This is a man who says that all I will do is fight for Azadi, Azadi, Azadi. I want Pakistan to get more involved. I want people to be out on the streets. I will start a Go India, Go Back movement. I will start a Quit Jammu and Kashmir movement in 2010. I will create a situation where hundreds of people die and build up a sentiment against the Indian state. Now, I don't understand this. And my question goes to Firdaus also because I saw his hand go up there. I'll come to you, Ajay. Simple question is, how does Mufti must be having a plan. Either Mufti's plan is to create mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir. I suspect, Firdaus, that Mufti is playing to a written script. He wants to create chaos and mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir. He wants to let tens of thousands of people out. Then he hopes, because this time he could not do as well in the elections as possible, he hopes that by projecting himself as the leader of the pro-Pakistan, anti-India separatist movement, his political clout will increase. That's the only way to, because in terms of pure logic, Mufti Muhammad Saeed should have seen better. Firdaus, what's your defense?
Mr. Arnab, before I start replying your question, I would suggest that before passing a verdict on the PDP or anybody else, he must get a chance to defend himself. What I am getting from your discussion and from your verbatim is that you have decided to go ahead with the PDP bashing.
No,
we are
for
fine
1
with
second.
it.
I have only
we
one
don't
question.
have any problem.
Firdaus, 1 minute.
You have already passed the verdict against us.
Okay, so
you are dubbing us anti-national.
Firdaus,
You are
tell me, answer one question.
finger of suspicion
Answer
on
one
us.
question. Answer one question. Tell me, what was Masrat Alam in jail for the last 56 months? You tell me. Tell all the viewers tonight.
There are two aspects.
No. Tell me, was it for waging war against the Indian state?
No, Arnab, please.
Was it for waging war against the Indian state? Was it for waging war against the Indian state? Was it for waging war against the Indian state?
If you want me to reply, no.
No, you tell me what was it. No, you answer my question. If you want to reply, then reply.
No,
what was he in jail for?
You have to give me time.
No, 1 second. I'm asking you a question. Why don't you answer my question? Why don't you answer my question?
You are not permitting me.
No, but answer the question. I'm not going to let you make a speech. I'm not going to let you make a speech. I'm asking you a question. You tell me what was he in jail for?
If it is a
You tell me what was he in jail for?
Ask me question, I will reply.
So here's the question, and I want to see if you can answer. My question to you is...
No, he was not behind bar. He was not behind bar for waging war against India. Fine.
Please check your facts.
No, this is not by God. You are not
please
letting
check
me to
your
explain
facts.
it.
Please check your facts, Firdaus.
No,
I
this
don't
is the
think you
fact,
even know
Mr.
your facts.
Arnab, this is the fact.
He faced. You don't
This
know
is
the
the
facts.
fact. Let
You
me-
want to
let me
project.
complete.
You
If you
don't
are
know
not
the
allowing me
facts,
to complete,
Firdaus. You don't know the facts.
I will explain.
No, 1 minute.
I will
1 minute. Let me
explain every
no, no.
point.
1 second, please.
Arnab, please.
Firdaus,
Arnab,
let me
please.
explain
Please
to you
just
why
give
you are
me
wrong.
1 minute.
Let me explain to you why you are wrong. You are wrong because.
Uninterrupted 1 minute, Arnab.
Firdaus, don't.
Arnab, 1
Firdaus,
minute
No,
uninterrupted.
1 second. Let me tell you.
Uninterrupted minute.
No, 1 second. Will you stop for a minute and I'll correct you. He spent 56 months and he faced, for your kind information, 6 public safety acts for, and I quote, waging war and, quote, fomenting trouble. There were 15 FIRs over what he said in his speeches and what he was doing in terms of leading street protests on the ground. And he has said, on top of it, so that you understand what you are doing, he has said from inside jail last month, you know, please, at least as an Indian, understand where we are coming from. From inside jail last month, Devendra Rana, is it true or not? Is it true or not that he said from inside jail? He said, now listen to me, the truth is uncomfortable, but you'll have to hear it. The truth is uncomfortable, you'll have to hear it, please.
If you are not going to allow me to explain, I will have to leave the program. I am here.
You know, I'll tell you one thing.
I have made a commitment.
What's your name?
to
Firdaus.
your studio.
Firdaus, let me tell you. Firdaus, let me tell you, and there are other panelists on the program as well. Can I please put them on the
you have
screen?
to let me to explain my point first.
Firdaus,
You have to
first
let
of
me to
all,
explain my
first
point
of all,
first. Just
try
give me a
this.
single minute.
No, 1 second. Don't go on and on like a
I
broken
am
record.
seeking
Please
30
understand.
seconds.
Please understand,
30 seconds.
Firdaus. Please
30
understand
seconds
the
from you,
basic
Arnab.
point. Understand the basic
I am
point, for
saying
God's
30
sake.
seconds.
Understand a basic
I am
point.
saying 30 seconds, Arnab. 30 seconds.
but
from
I'll-
you.
Oh my
Just 30 seconds.
Mr. Firdaus.
Start the watch. I am saying 30
Mr.
seconds from you.
Mr. Firdaus,
I am saying, Mr.
Firdaus,
Arnab, I am saying, Masrat Alam, there are 2 aspects. One, the legal aspect, another political aspect.
Oh,
I will be
God.
dealing legal aspect first. There was a case, there are 26 cases against Masrat Alam. In all the cases, under the legal provision, a case is lodged against a person who has committed an illegal act. Then the court has a right to either to grant him bail or to keep him under custody. In all the 26 cases, he has been granted bail. So the FIR with regard to the waging war against Masrat Alam was
Okay, so you're
registered in
simple.
2010.
Okay, have you finished? Have you finished now? Okay, so your time is up. No, 1 second. Have you finished now?
Granted bail by
Have
the
you
court.
finished now? Now I'll tell.
He
No, 1
was
second.
in
Just a
preventive
minute.
custody.
Okay, so
Kindly
Firdaus is
understand
finished.
this. He was in a preventive custody.
Firdaus, have you finished now? And just stop for a while, take a breath and listen. Okay, and don't just keep speaking non-stop. Speaking a lot does not add to the quality of your argument. The point is simply this, and Ajay Kumar want to come in as well as Devendra Rana. Mr. Firdaus, please understand one thing. This is a very simple case. I'll let Ajay Kumar come in. The point is very simple. There is a statement this pro-Pakistan man, this terrorist, this separatist gives out from inside jail. What does he say? He says, Pakistan provides me unconditional support. He says Pakistan provides me unconditional support, which means, please stop, please. Don't carry on again, please. Which means there is a direct link between him and those in Pakistan wanting to create terrorism in the valley. And you know what he says? And you should be ashamed. You should be ashamed of what you've done. He says, Pakistan is my strength.
Why should we be ashamed?
1 second. He says, listen to me. Listen to me. If you and Zafar have the courage to listen, it is time you listen today. It is time you listen today. You know what he says. You know what he says. And 1 second, please. Listen to the facts tonight.
You protested at that time also. You protested at that time also.
No, 1 second.
You had a problem even with hanging of
Rashnik, here's the quote. Here is the quote. 1 second. 1 second. Here is the quote.
They have no right to talk about law of the land.
Here is the quote. And for the BJP tonight and for Seshadri Chari, I am so glad.
Gentlemen like Rashnik has to intervene.
Don't. I will not reply to personal this thing. I am not replying to your personal insults. If you don't have argument, don't get me personally.
No, 1 second, please. 1 second. 1 second. Mr. Firdaus, I will not allow you to get away without answering the questions. 1 second, Mr. Firdaus, I warn you. Mr. Firdaus, I warn you. I'm warning you. Please stop. 1 second, Rashnik, please stop. Mr. Firdaus, 1 second. Mr. Firdaus, I warn you tonight. Two things. I will not allow this channel to become a forum for your anti-national rubbish. And secondly, you have the courage to listen to what I will tell you, what Masrat Alam says. Masrat Alam says, and have the courage to listen. Open your ears and listen wide.
That is a problem.
Masrat Alam says, and I want the people across the country to listen. Here is a man, the BJP supports Mufti Muhammad Saeed, and Masrat Alam says, Pakistan is my strength.
Yes.
Pakistan helps me sustain my struggle. Pakistan is a brave country. To be supporting all the violence and terrorism as if it was not bad enough that we have a sellout chief minister. And I'm saying Mufti Muhammad Saeed is a sellout chief minister. He has sold himself out to the Pakistanis already. He supports a person. He supports a person. I'm asking you tonight. I'm asking you, does the PDP believe in the Islamization of the Kashmir Valley?
Arnab,
Oh my God.
Do you?
Oh
Then
my
why
God,
do you
this
release
is-
a man who does?
No, Arnab.
And by the way, Ajay Kumar wants to come to the debate. Ajay Kumar, please. Enough. Ajay Kumar is coming in on the other side. Ajay Kumar.
You are
Ajay Kumar and then Seshadri Chari. Ajay Kumar, please. Put him on the screen, please.
Arnab, the simple thing was the valley was going through a very peaceful period. For the past 8 years, the reduction in terrorist violences has reduced significantly. And now with Masrat Alam's release, you're going to see us and the kind of policy PDP is following. And the danger is, obviously, you will not have an FIR, anybody standing witness against people like Masrat Alam. Who is going to speak in the court of law? So you need Public Safety Act to keep them behind bars. Anybody who speaks against them is going to be won't survive.
And you know what? If you lack
standards of the Congress.
Firdaus, I'll tell you one more thing.
No, you're talking.
No.
Let me answer that question. Arnab,
Double
you made the
standards of the
statement on the,
Congress.
when 2002 PDP, let me
Congress has
complete.
to
When
change
2002,
its star every
2008
now and
Congress
then.
government was there,
You were
the
their partners.
confidence building measures.
Please ask my
No,
Congress
and we took
friend
confidence
what they
building
have done
partners.
recently.
Listen, so let
Firdaus,
me
they have
complete.
passed a
2002 to 2008, we took confidence building measures with working with the Vajpayee government. It was decided working together for confidence in building measures. We did not go about releasing people without discussions. We didn't release people like Masrat Alam.
So where we
It
are
was
in allies with
2002,
you, it is
2008.
confidence building measure where
You know,
we are
no,
not in
I
allies
think
with you.
the question goes to the Firdaus. Not only are you not aware. Not only one second, Firdaus. The basic point. No, 1 second. Ajay Kumar. First of all, I will not allow this to be made political. I think it is silly, and if I may say so, I know I say this with a certain degree of contempt. I think it is also anti-national to try and give everything a political flavor. I want to remind these people from the PDP that the 23rd of March, and I'm saying this, Seshadri Chari, so you also react, the 23rd of March is Bhagat Singh's death anniversary. Right? And what will happen on the 23rd of March? These separatists, many of them emboldened and strengthened by a pro-Pakistan chief minister supported by you, will be in the Pakistan High Commission that day celebrating Pakistan Day, hurting Indian sentiments further. Who says these people are stakeholders? And Seshadri Chari, why are you letting them get away? And Devendra Rana, why are you quiet on the debate? Feel free to come in at any point of time. I just do not understand tonight why you are playing with fire like this. Seshadri Chari.
Arnav, I think the PDP has crossed all limits of decency. They have crossed all limits of coalition dharma. And if they don't like the word dharma, it is coalition deen or whatever they call it in Urdu. And I think when Mufti Muhammad Saeed Saab was patting Mr. Modi on the back,
Yep.
probably we did not realize that actually he was looking for a place to stab.
Yep.
And this is exactly what Mr. Mufti Muhammad Saeed has done.
Hear that loud and clear.
And if he is, I'm sorry, I have to use very strong words for Mufti Muhammad Saeed, who was once the Home Minister of this country. And if he is wanting to show us the legal route and legal connections that he has got, he is sadly mistaken. These terrorists and separatists have done nothing in these months to gain this kind of freedom, and they are going to create hell in Kashmir once again. Therefore, they should either desist, go by the coalition dharma,
Yes. Or
if they did not care to inform even their own deputy chief minister, I am not saying they should have informed the Prime Minister, I am not saying they should have informed the Home Minister. Ideally, they should have informed the intelligence agencies which were working in Kashmir for all these years. They did not care to inform any of them, and they did not even care to inform their own deputy chief minister. They did not even call him on the phone, who was just 5 minutes away from their office.
Why are you supporting this
Therefore,
government?
Intervene.
No, why are
Therefore-
you supporting this government then?
We expected Mufti Muhammad Saeed to behave in a manner which suits the coalition. I am very sorry to say, just 10 days into power, he has belied all hopes of economic development.
Arnab,
There were other priorities which he could have done. He could have easily taken up the case of those Kashmiris who have been victims of recent flood. He could have done so many other things. Leaving all those things, his entire concentration seems to be pleasing the Islamabad, releasing the separatists, putting Kashmir back on the brink. I am very sorry to say this was least expected of Mufti Muhammad Saeed,
Arnab,
and this should come as a warning for Mufti Muhammad Saeed and his party that he cannot take the BJP for granted the way he took the Congress.
And I don't know what the PDP is talking about. I'd like to go to Devendra Rana for a minute before I respond to you. One second, please, Firdaus. One second, please. Firdaus, one second. I want to go to Devendra Rana before. 1 second, the NC has not spoken, Ajay. I'm coming to you. Just let's get the NC in. I just want to make one point, because watch this tonight. Watch this wherever you're watching this across this country. Remember, the first person who Mufti Muhammad Saeed has released is a dangerous man called Masrat Alam. And I don't know which country, they hold their allegiances to these people from the PDP. It's certainly not. It appears to me these PDP leaders do not have their allegiance to our own
And
country.
they are going to release half a dozen more such people are now.
Masrat Alam, Devendra Rana, after being released,
for 3 months.
After being released, what does Masrat Alam say? Masrat Alam says, I will start chalking out a strategy for the Azadi movement. They want to make it seem that man is an NGO man. He's not. He's a terrorist through and through. Mufti Muhammad Saeed is releasing terrorists one by one. I don't think the country can sit there and listen. Devendra Rana, why are you quiet on this debate tonight? What is your position on this? Would you have allowed it had you been in power?
Mr. Arnab Goswami, I am surprised. Very interesting, very dangerous comments coming from both sides. I just heard my revered friend from the BJP and my revered friend from the PDP. Both are taking very hard line stands. And the script seems, as you said, written much before the oath taking.
What do you mean?
Go your
what
way.
do you mean?
I'll tell you, sir. Wait a minute. You go your way, we'll go our way, keep on criticizing and carry on with the thing. The CMP that they have chalked out is a minimum common program. It's not a common minimum program. It's a hollow document. It has nothing to meet the aspirations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And it's a fixed match between the PDP and the BJP to hoodwink the people of Jammu and Kashmir and divert the attention of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. But sir, 1 minute, let me complete.
Firdaus, let him speak.
In simple language.
But they are playing with fire. BJP, in its quest to appease its own constituency in Jammu, by promoting and encouraging extremist elements in Jammu region, and PDP by allowing and promoting extremist elements in Kashmir, is playing a very dangerous game. This is not 2002.
Is this
there
your
has
guess?
been a 2008. There has been a 2010. They are playing with fire. They are playing with fire, and the consequences will be very dangerous.
I'm sorry to say, Mr. Rana, so great. We have worked with National Conference. We have worked with all the other parties also, and we know what their true colors are. You don't have to tell us. These Azadi people were also in your payroll. You have also supported them. You have also acted with them. You have ran governments with them. And you have wrecked havoc in valley because of them. And it is you who divided the valley and the Kashmir into these two parts. And it is you who, in spite of having given a word to India government at the time, went ahead and passed a separatist resolution in Kashmir Assembly.
Mr. Seshadri,
Absolutely, I
know.
know.
Badly informed.
I
You're
think-
badly
I
informed.
think- I think-
2008 happened when PDP was in government. We were not in government. We came to government after 2009, and 2008 was the worst that could have happened. You brought Jammu and Kashmir on an eyeball to eyeball situation. You are creating a situation. One place Tagodia comes after 3 years of ban, spits venom. Another place somebody else talks about anything, and you are creating a situation. It is for the state government, the BJP and the PDP government, to ensure that the law and order and peace and normalcy is maintained, that we gave you on a platter. Your minimum common program, which you call the CMP, also acknowledges this, that there is security, environment and peace has improved. Now that it has improved, and you also acknowledge it, that is why you had the elections, that is why we got elected, that is why there are other friends who got elected. But
No, simple question.
Even Mr. Wait a minute, Mr. Goswami.
No, I have a simple
cabinet
question.
minister, a cabinet
I have
minister
a
of the
fairly more
PDP,
simple question.
a cabinet minister of the PDP,
One second, Seshadri, I put this question to the test, and I have a question tonight for the viewers. 1 minute. 1 minute. I have a question for the viewers tonight. And my question to the viewers, 1 second. Devendra
I have a question from Mr. Seshadri. I have a question from Mr. Seshadri.
Okay, you ask your question to
Mr. Seshadri.
1 second, question to Mr. Chari from the NC. Keep it brief.
Mr. Goswami, 1 minute. A cabinet minister of the PDP. Government is a collective responsibility. It's a BJP-PDP government. A cabinet minister of the PDP, a responsible cabinet minister of the PDP, a
Name
senior
him.
cabinet minister, Naeem Akhtar, went on record to say that the BJP is on board, and suddenly now BJP says, we don't know about it. The day Masarat Alam's decision was taken, the same day, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Mr. Nirmal Singh, is on record. Go to the local newspaper. That it's a very strong, stable government which will run for 6 years. We are together forming an
Okay,
agenda.
so here's a question.
Please
Okay,
clarify
fine. I
who's
heard you.
right, who's wrong.
I heard you.
Don't
I heard
confuse
you.
the people of Jammu and
I heard
Kashmir.
you. Therefore, I don't. No, 1 second. Seshadri Chari, before you respond. Seshadri Chari, before you respond.
It was the National Conference government which, right under the nose of NDA, passed the autonomy bill in Jammu and Kashmir.
Mr. Chari.
When
We
we had
stand
told
by the
them-
autonomy
Mr. Chari,
bill.
don't
It was
digress.
the
Gentleman's
Constitution
promise.
of
Don't digress.
India.
It was a
But
gentleman's
we stand by
promise.
the autonomy resolution.
Don't digress.
Autonomy resolution
I
has
said
been
don't
passed by a
digress.
two-third
I
majority
said
in
don't
the assembly.
digress. 1
We
minute.
stand by the autonomy
Mr.
resolution. It's the bedrock of
Mr.
our
Rana, will you
ideology.
calm down,
And the
please?
autonomy resolution.
Mr. Rana, will you pull back, please? Mr. Rana, Mr. Rana, will you pull back, please?
Document passed by the
Okay,
assembly.
so Mr.
Don't divert the issue again.
Mr. Rana,
Please
Mr.
come
Rana.
back.
No, it
Don't-
was not
what
passed
you
by
have
the
done
Will
in
you
the last
please
10
now,
days.
Mr. Chari?
Not by the Constitution.
Will you
Article
stop?
370,
I have a
abrogation
simple-
of Article
Article
370.
I have a simple- what are you
is the
talking
bedrock
about?
of-
Mr.
bedrock
Chari,
of
what are you
our
talking
policy.
about?
I'm sorry, Article
Therefore, I'm
370
telling you-
Devendra Rana,
does not
please
come
stop.
on autonomy.
Devendra Rana,
I'm
please
sorry.
stop.
I'm
National
sorry.
Conference is
Devendra
as
Rana, stop,
equally
please, 1 minute.
responsible for putting
Okay, now
Jammu
both
and
of you,
Kashmir
please stop.
on
I think
short
Mr.
fuse
Seshadri
as much
doesn't
as
know that
PDP
Article 370
Just a
has
minute.
nothing to
1
do with
second. Give me
autonomy.
time. Give me time, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Just one minute. Give me time. Just 1 minute. Give me time. Give me 30 seconds, please. Now, my question is very simple. I know, this is the question everybody is asking tonight, Mr. Chari. And by the way, I can, what is this PDP talking about? Firdaus and Zafar Miraj, there are no legal cases against him. We'll tackle that next. I'll prove to them they are so wrong on the facts. But my question is not to them right now. My question is to the BJP. So my question to Mr. Chari is this, that Mr. Chari, okay, suppose I accept Naeem Akhtar, the minister, is lying, everybody is wrong, you are right, you didn't know about it. These anti-national ally of yours, they allowed Masarat Alam to come out behind your back. Simple question to you. Tell me, by what time will you rearrest Masarat Alam? Since it is established without doubt that he is a danger to national security, and you know what happened during the IC-814 hijack, you know from which jails in Jammu and Kashmir terrorists had to be released and flown out in exchange for Indian hostages. You don't want a repeat of that situation, and you know tonight that your record in Kandahar comes back to haunt you again and again, so we don't want a repeat of that situation. Nobody wants a repeat of that situation. Mr. Chari, the BJP has to tell us tonight by what time you will rearrest Masarat Alam. or quit.
Arnav,
Or quit.
Arnav, the issue.
Or
the
quit.
issue
No, or
here
quit.
is-
Or I say quit.
The issue here is
No, you have to rearrest this man.
we have informed the PDP.
So what
that
informed
either
they are
they walk
surviving
the
on your
talk-
support?
Either they walk the talk.
Ajay
Behave
Kumar, you buy
according
that?
to- They behave according to coalition.
Or
dharma.
what?
Arnab,
Or what?
They behave according to coalition dharma.
3 months for this.
1 second, Ajay
Behave
Kumar
according
countering
to
you. Ajay
coalition
Kumar.
dharma.
Ajay Kumar.
Arnav, I don't
the
require
PDP
any advice
were
from
in
our
discussion
Congress
for 3
friends,
months.
however great they may be. I'm
No,
sorry to
first of
say,
all, Mr. Chari,
I'm
you should
sorry
learn
to say
listen.
those who have been
Your
rejected by the
arrogance,
people
Mr.
squarely
Chari, your
have no
arrogance-
moral right to
arrogance
speak on this
despite doing so
subject
much of
now.
Anti-India
It is
activity,
between us,
arrogance
it is
really
between the
befuddling.
BJP and the
First of all,
PDP,
you were in discussion,
and we will set the things
senior
right.
RSS workers
We have already
and
warned the
senior PDP
PDP,
people
we have already
discussing for
warned
3
the
months.
PDP.
What were you
If they
discussing?
don't behave, if
What were
they
you
cannot
discussing?
uphold the
And what
coalition
were you
dharma,
discussing for 3 months?
if they
Your RSS
cannot work
senior
with the
workers,
central government
senior
on
person
national
RSS,
security
senior
issues,
person of PDP,
if they
what were you
cannot correct
discussing
the
for 3
wrongs
months?
that they have
Okay,
done,
Mr. Arnab,
Were you discussing
if
that
they
this is how you're
cannot
going to fix the
retrieve the
man?
situation,
let me come in.
No, one
they
minute.
have
Is
to
this the way
quit.
you're going to fix the man?
No, 1 second, 1 second. Here
For
tonight.
3 months.
No, 1 second. The BJP is giving a
Arnab, the
3-month
Prime Minister
deadline.
says he has no idea.
No, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second.
He has no
1 minute, 1
idea.
minute, 1 minute. The
And
BJP.
Mr. Chari says all the right things.
Ajay Kumar, BJP is giving a 3-month deadline. 3 months for the PDP to measure up. Now, Mr. Chari, in 3 months, I'll tell you what they will do. They will remit the sentence of Ashik Hussain Fatu, whose deputy is Masrat Alam, right? They will release 10,000 other terrorists. They will release Muhammad Ayub Dar. They will release Muhammad Yasin Yatu. They will release Asif Halwai. They will release Noor Muhammad Tantre. And you know how dangerous these people are. They will release Parvez Mir. They will release Firoz Bhatt. They will release Muhammad Shafi Dar. They will push for the release of Muhammad Ayub Dar, who is a senior leader of the Hurriyat Ji, has been in prison for the last 12 years under the Public Safety Act. They will not push for further detention of Nasir Abdullah of the Hurriyat Ji, who's been imprisoned under the
Arnab,
Public
why are you
Safety Act
misleading
for
the
his
nation?
involvement in the
Arnab, I am
2010
not going to
agitation.
discuss
1 minute,
national
sir.
security
They will do all that. They will do all that,
I
and
am
by
not
doing
going
that,
to
Mr.
discuss
Chari,
national
Mr.
security
Chari, 1
issues
second,
on
Firdaus.
television.
By doing that, they will compromise
I'm
my
also not
security.
going to reveal what the BJP is going to do.
Sir, I am telling you, you don't have the time.
But
they will do it in the next 1 week if they can.
As a responsible party,
Sir,
expect PDP to behave.
Sir, they will not
And if
behave. They will
cannot
do it to
behave,
defy you.
If the PDP cannot behave, if
Sir,
they cannot uphold the dharma of coalition,
Don't you
if
see
they don't care
creating-
for all these things,
I don't understand.
I think they are making a huge mistake
Mr. Sardar
by
Chari,
taking
no.
the BJP for granted, by taking the BJP to be
Sir,
the
they
other
have
side
taken
of
you
the
for
Congress,
granted. I'm sorry if you
or
don't
by
realize it
taking
so
the
far.
central government easily.
Sir,
they are going to face the problems, and therefore it is for the PDP to behave.
I don't think. You ask.
If
no,
the PDP
we
does
don't
not
mind,
behave,
we don't mind.
they will
I
see
have
the
a point to
results.
make.
Mr. Goswami,
I cannot
I have
tell
some.
you,
I want
one
to-
at a
I cannot tell
time.
you anything.
No,
one
Arnab,
at
please
a
let me
time,
come in.
gentlemen, one at a time, one at a time. And I'm saying this to the BJP tonight. Sir, Mr. Chari, with the greatest of respect to you personally. And you are not just a very fine, erudite gentleman. I know you won't take it otherwise. But you realize tonight that in the taste for power in Jammu and Kashmir, many people are pointing the finger today, the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying, is your lust for power so great that you will compromise national security? If your position is firm on national security, stop them from doing it now. And if you cannot stop them, don't allow them to create a situation where Kashmir Valley goes back many, many years into the same vortex of violence of the late 80s, which is what you're allowing them to get you into. Rashid Khair wants to make a point.
You know, you see,
we belong to
Mr.
the we
Seshadri
belong to
Chari,
the
with-
party. We
with
belong
due
to the
respect,
party.
Mr. Chari,
We belong
please
to
allow
the
me.
party which gave
Sir,
its
Mr.
life.
Seshadri
Dr.
Chari-
Shama
Mr.
Prasad
Seshadri
Mukherjee
Chari
laid
would
his
know.
life.
No, but this is not what Shama Prasad Mukherjee wanted. He wanted Ek Nishan, Ek Pradhan. This is not what Shama Prasad Mukherjee wanted. Let us not bring him in. Let us not sully Shama Prasad Mukherjee.
Throw
for
them
once,
out or
please.
quit.
Also, I must tell you that such, when such people are released, it needs at least 10 different security clearances. Whatever Ashraf Tak says is all humbug. Okay, there is a peace, there is a process of legal system. But having said that, the Congress and the National Conference have no right to pontificate. They released Bitta Karate, they released Yasin Malik. So they should be also ashamed of themselves as much as PDP, because they have released terrorists in the past and their record is no better than what the current PDP is saying. Having
What
said
is
that,
your
we
real
must
game?
know. No.
What is the real? 1 second. 1 minute. PDP. Go back to Zafar Miraj. Mr. Miraj. See, legally you are wrong. Morally you are wrong. And you can say that I am judging you wrong, but the fact is you've got your facts wrong, sir. You say tonight it's a domestic law and order problem. It's not a domestic law and order problem. You know it.
national security.
I am asking you, is there some tandem, is there some game you're playing with Pakistan? Is there some PDP-Pakistan tango that is going on here? Because we have begun to doubt your intentions. What is Mufti Muhammad Saeed playing to Pakistan's tune, and what is his long-term agenda? Because we are getting very suspicious of what he's up to.
Arnab, let me tell you one thing.
Sir.
That as far as the legal aspect is concerned, I'm on a very strong ground. As far as the moral aspect is concerned, I'm on a strong ground.
No, legal, you are on shallow
Just
ground
tell me
and the
one thing.
ground has
Just ask-
fallen
just
under
ask
your
this.
feet.
Arnab,
Okay, 1 second.
Arnab,
Which one? No, 1 second.
Arnab,
No, 1
let
second.
me-
Let's
let me-
argue this. Let's
Let
argue
me
this.
finish.
I will give you 1 point on legal
let me
grounds.
finish. Let me complete my sentence.
No, 1 second.
No,
Let's
let me
argue the
complete
legal
my
grounds.
sentence.
People would want you to see me,
Why
see you
one
ask
second?
you questions
listen to me
on the
one
legal
second.
ground. I'll ask you
have
questions
to-
on the
you
legal
posed a
ground.
question
My
to
question
me.
to you, Zafar
No,
Miraj,
you asked
first
a
question on the
to me.
legal ground. Is it true,
Yes,
Mr.
you asked
Miraj?
a que- I have no legal ground. I have no moral ground. That's what I'm replying
Mr.
to.
Miraj, please
That's what I'm
understand
replying
this.
to.
Mr. Miraj, can
I say, Supreme Court has released this man, and he had to be released. Just ask my National Conference friend and my Congress friend there, who revoked the PSA detention order against Masarat Alam
Now you have to understand.
in 2013.
No, 1 sec. So you know, I'll tell
What
you why
happened?
you are wrong. I'll tell you why
that.
you are wrong. No, I'll spend 4-5 minutes on this. It's a political issue, but I'll go into
How?
the legal issue. Can I tell you, please, if you care to listen, I will enlighten you on the facts. Please understand, Mr. Miraj, you're a senior
Please.
man, but you can be utterly and totally and shamelessly wrong. Now understand that the previous National Conference
I know
government...
you are a lawyer yourself. I know
No.
you
Let me pit my views against yours. Okay? Let me.
request to you, don't use foul language.
Sir, I have not used foul language.
you should be
I don't use foul. There is no
responsible
foul
to
language
somebody.
I have used. I have said you are
Yes, you are saying
completely and
shameless.
totally
I'm
and
not shameless.
shamelessly wrong. There's nothing foul in my language.
No.
You can prove me wrong if you want to. And here's my question to you, and you are free to.
Yes, I have proved
you are
wrong.
free. No, 1
It is a
second.
Supreme Court order.
Arey,
The
listen.
highest court of the land.
Arey, my God, you got to listen, Mr. Sir. See, even the ex-chief minister of
listening.
the state
Arnab, please
has acknowledged, 1 minute, has acknowledged that the
Let me
detention of Alam saved lives. So, to set this man loose on the streets means you are going to compromise lives. Point number 1. Second point, this man has threatened to Islamicize Kashmir, which means open attempt to change the secular fabric of the country. Third, he has openly acknowledged seeking and wanting Pakistan's support in disrupting peace in the valley. He says Pakistan provides me unconditional support. You have this man loose on the streets means giving a free hand to someone who has established links across the border with people who want to disrupt peace in India, which means it is a matter of national security and not some domestic law and order issue. Why don't you understand?
No, Arnav, there is another
These
law
are
and
some
order
very
issue
basic
here.
points.
Arnav, there is another issue.
Mr. Miraj.
If you don't order the
There is
orders of the
Arnav,
court,
there is another
if you
issue.
don't respect the
If-
verdict of the Supreme
If the
Court,
former
then
chief minister, if the former chief minister
I am asking you
had
today,
not had to file an FIR
No, that-
against this man,
Just do
what
one
was
thing.
this government doing?
Okay, so
What
here's
was
the
Mufti
question.
Muhammad Saeed
Okay,
doing
so here's the-
in last 10
After
days?
he was
Just
arrested,
inform
not
after he
even
was
one
arrested.
man.
Out of the court.
After he was arrested,
Then you
not
talk
even
about
one
that
man
the
died
court should not
of
advocate
stone
all these
pelting.
matters on these
Not even
issues.
one man.
Let us close the chapter of criminal justice.
No, Rashnik, I
After he was
don't.
arrested, not even
Okay,
one
Rashnik
man.
is countering now. Rashnik.
We live in a
No,
democratic
there was
setup.
Rashnik and Zafar Miraj.
Not even
Rashnik
one
and
death,
Zafar Miraj.
You are letting a man loose who is responsible for hundreds of deaths, and it took police a lot of effort, and there was an award of 10 lakh rupees on his head. What political prisoner has an award of 10 lakh rupees on his head? Did Nelson Mandela Kelly an award on his head? to call such people.
So say it will protest the court order.
No, one second. Here's I give you the ground.
Say
Yeah,
it.
no, any
Say it
sensible
plainly.
person, any sensible
care about
person.
Supreme Court order.
One
We don't care about other
second,
court orders.
please.
We don't care the
Then you might as well let
judicial
One
everybody
minute,
go.
Zafar Miraj, listen to me, please. Listen to me, Zafar Miraj.
Bring an end to
Listen to me,
criminal
Zafar
justice,
Miraj.
please.
Listen
Because
to me,
so
Zafar Miraj.
You
There are
could have
enough.
detained him.
There are
Otherwise you
enough.
could have detained him again.
One second. There are enough flawed peaceniks in Lutyens, Delhi who will support you. Actually, there aren't many left. But I will still make my point to you. Listen here, Zafar Miraj. The fact is this, and you need to understand.
listening.
I will give you a... No, 1 second. You say, how can we put this man behind bars? I today give you one reason to put this man behind bars, right? Seshadri Chari, we can debate this. I think, Mr. Zafar Miraj, when a man comes out and he says, unconditional support for Pakistan keeps my movement alive, when he comes out and says, I am going to start now getting Pakistan support and pushing for Azadi, then you have a straight ground to rearrest this man. I don't think any doubt on it. A person is threatening my country openly. Seshadri Chari, any doubt about that? There is a ground to rearrest the man. He has come out and
What
threatened
was
my
expected?
country openly.
What was expected? What was expected of the chief minister was
Can I say something? Can I
to
say
call
something
for
now?
a cabinet meeting.
Can I say
He could have
something?
asked his deputy
It
chief
was
minister.
recorded.
He
Can
could
I
have
say
asked
something?
everybody else in the cabinet. He could have said there are serious
Arnab,
charges
look at
against
it.
him. The earlier government has not
There's
framed any
nothing
charge
new in what
against him.
Masud Alam is
And
today
now the
saying.
Supreme Court
There are
wants us
already
to know
FIR
why he
registered
should not be
against him.
released.
And
If
even
there are
the
no
courts
charges
have granted
against
him
him.
bail.
No, so
Any
he
sane
admits.
person, any sane
You can't
person
detain
would have
anybody for any
framed
separate
charges
period.
against this culprit, this separatist, this terrorist. Any sane man would have done that, not released him.
Now the central government should tell state government to do it.
What about the court? What about the judicial system?
This is a
And
matter
what,
of
and do you,
national
no, no,
security.
do you think
judicial
it is the
system are you
judicial
talking
system?
about?
No, allow me to speak.
What
Where was the
judicial
judicial
system are you
system
talking
when
about this
Afzal
time?
Guru was hanged and you guys went around the town saying it was not a fair justice. What about the judicial system? You do not believe in the judicial system. Now when it suits you, you say yes. When it doesn't suit you, you say no. Did you not pass a resolution?
Come on, I
Did
don't
you
want
not
to get
just...
in an argument with you. I don't want to get in an argument with you.
You have no argument. How will you get in an argument
You have
with
no
me?
argument.
You
That
have
is
no
the whole
argument.
reason.
argue with you.
The Supreme
You have no
Court
argument.
Speaking, what you are talking about.
No,
I
the
also don't
Supreme
know what
Court
you are
did not tell you
speaking.
to release that man. The Supreme Court did not tell you to release that man. What
Here is
And
the
he should be
situation
rearrested.
tonight,
was
And
very
he should be
FIR.
rearrested. Such terrorists should not be let loose.
Tonight.
Should he be rearrested?
No, one sec.
Yes, he should be rearrested. And anybody supporting him also should be sent to jail.
No, 1 second, please. And this is a dangerous situation tonight. I invite this to the
There is
attention.
a right and
I
there
am
is a-
deliberately
there-
bringing
there-
this
there-
issue.
there is a-
I am
there-
bringing
no,
this
Arnab,
issue.
there is
Please.
a right and the Supreme Court order.
Supreme Court order. Okay, fine. Now I'll give you a couple of legal arguments. 1 second. Ajay Kumar. One second. Ajay
It is
Kumar.
observed that if any fresh detention order is issued by the government of Jammu and Kashmir with respect to Masarat Alam, the same shall not be. The same shall not come into force for a period of 1 week from the date of publication of this order to enable him to pursue appropriate legal remedy.
So after
That's the
1 week
Supreme
he
Court
should be
order.
arrested then.
How do
Then
you-
after
how
1
do you
week he
know
should be
that he should be
arrested.
arrested?
There is adequate
Then after 1 week he will be arrested.
adequate grounds to
Yes.
detain him.
Yes,
Ajay Bose.
if he does not
Yes.
properly,
There is
you-
adequate
Preventive
grounds.
detention is
Then we
always
can.
possible. Don't teach
Why
us
not?
law.
Okay, Ajay Bose, please.
Preventive
I'm not teaching you law. I'm saying I'm
Ajay Kumar, please.
I'm
Ajay
reading
Kumar.
this judgment. I'm reading the operative part of the Supreme Court order.
1 second.
Issued by
As if you believe in Supreme Court.
Being detained.
Tell me, Zafar Miraj and Ajay Kumar, please, simple question to you.
Mr. Arnab Goswami,
Yes.
what an interesting thing happening. The BJP spokesman is a very revered senior leader, is behaving as if he's not a part of this whole government.
No, instead of
instead saying
using
it should be done,
this
this should be
opportunity,
done.
Mr. Devendra Rana.
1 minute, sir.
Mr.
1 minute.
Rana.
Let me complete.
No, Mr. Rana, what is your position on?
Chari is
No, what is your
condemning the
position on it?
PDP. The PDP is defending the action. Both are playing to their constituency.
No, thank you for the.
Why did you release terrorists,
Devendra
Devendra Rana ji?
They will go
Why did you
together.
release terrorists?
They will go
Why did you
together.
release terrorists?
They will go together.
Why did you
And
release
they will go
terrorists?
together
Why
for
did
3
you
months.
release terrorists?
And in 3
Why
months,
did you release
as you
terrorists?
said,
You
Mr.
released
Mufti
terrorists to
Mohammed
Devendra
Saeed,
Rana. Don't be
49
holier
days
than
would like
thou.
to become a
Don't be
Kejriwal.
holier than thou. You
And
released
then-
Yasin Malik
he
and
will
Bitta
become a
Karate.
Kejriwal. He will try to
You
become a
released Yasin
Kejriwal.
Malik and Bitta
And Mr.
Karate.
Chari will
You
keep on
released
giving
Yasin
him
Malik and
sermons
Bitta
on
Karate.
to do and what not to do.
You have no right to
and
pontificate.
they will
You
allow-
have no right.
BJP will
Absolutely
allow
no right.
BJP
Absolutely no right to pontificate, sir. Absolutely
so
no
here's a
right.
couple
I have
of
no
it
right.
was in your
but
time that
it was
Karate
it was
and
the
Yasin
National
Malik were
Conference
released.
government which
It
gave you a
was-
peaceful 2011, 12,
And by releasing
13,
terrorists,
14.
it is because of you, Yasin Malik and Bitta Karate are free.
And it
Anyway,
was the same.
anyway, let's get back
Devendra
to the
Rana,
debate.
no, 1 minute.
And it was-
you have no-
and-
I
it
just
was
want
the
to
same
ask
national
Devendra Rana one
conference
question.
which offered unconditional support to PDP.
Yes, yes.
It was this national conference which
Yeah, but
offered
you-
unconditional
So
support to
did you,
PDP.
sir. So did you. So did you. So
If
But
the,
they didn't
if the
challenge-
BJP
Mr. Chari,
withdraws,
they didn't
if the
release
BJP
people.
withdraws support, will the
They
national
did. You
conference
also
go and
didn't
support?
support
Will
with
you
them.
not make it political?
will
I
not
will
support
not
them.
let you
Ajay
make
Kumar
it
doesn't
political.
know.
And I know one
Bitta
second.
Karate and Yasin Malik are both
Rashni Kher, a minute, please.
And the
Rashni
national
Kher,
conference
Rashni Kher, I will not. No, 1 second, please stop.
Unconditional.
Just stop now. And my question is to Devendra Rana. Only Devendra Rana, please, with me on the
Arnab,
screen.
what-
No, 1 second. Can I just
Ajay
ask
Kumar
Mr.
doesn't know
Rana a
half
couple
of
of
the
questions? Because I can't let him get away. Mr. Rana, please.
Mr. Goswami.
1 second,
before
Mr.
you
Rana,
ask me-
only you please
before-
on the screen.
Before
Just
you
a
ask
minute.
me a question.
Just so that
before
you can
ask me
take
a
my question and you
please
can
ask
listen
the
to my
BJP
question
and the
and you
PDP,
cannot
they are
obfuscate
running a
any
government
longer.
together.
And though
What
you
is
are not
their
in power,
stand?
I do not think I
Sir?
am going to allow you to get away with it, Mr. Rana. My
Sir?
question to you is now
No,
this.
no, my only submission to you before you ask me
you
a
answer my
question
question. Why don't you
at
answer my
least
question?
In this
Mr.
program,
Rana.
in this
Mr. Rana.
program, when Mr. Chari is here, there are two representatives
Right.
of the PDP.
Yeah.
Let us, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, know
Right.
what together is their stand on various issues.
Good. Well done. Well done. Now a simple question, if you don't mind, please. Thank you for the little lecture which you provided out there. I'm sure you enjoyed it. The elections in Jammu and Kashmir are over. You have stopped your speeches also, Mr. Rana. Maybe you thought the Newsa was a forum to make another speech. My question to you is very simple. People don't want to hear you making a speech. With respect to you, Mr. Rana, my only question is, please tell everybody watching this program across the country and 70 countries where the Newsa is being broadcast as of this minute, whether you support the rearrest of Masrat Alam immediately.
That's a decision to be taken by the state government.
Okay.
By the
No,
PDP and the PDP
don't
government.
explain. Don't explain.
No, it is the
Don't
BJP
explain.
and the PDP
No, don't
government.
explain.
It is their responsibility.
Mr.
It is
Rana,
their responsibility.
Mr. Rana, the beauty about
We detained him. We detained him.
Mr. Rana,
We detained him in
Mr. Rana,
2010,
Mr.
2011, 12,
So,
13,
Mr. Rana, I
14. He
repeat
was
to
the
you once again,
mastermind
and
of
I
Stone
would
Temple.
like you
when we
to.
were in the government. Now it is for the PDP and the BJP to
Okay,
decide
so
what they have
just
to do.
one more question. And by the way, Mr. Rana, don't get
No,
worked.
sir,
don't get
please,
worked
why
up.
don't you ask
The beauty about political hypocrisy. Sorry, please. I make a generic comment. The beauty about political hypocrisy is that even in small doses, it is very visible. My next question and the only second question to you, sir. Do you believe that as far as Ashik Hussain Fattu is concerned, Mushtaqul Islam is concerned, Zahur Ahmad Bhatt is concerned, Nasir Abdullah is concerned, do you believe people like this should be kept in lockup for a very long time?
National Conference wants peace. Law and order to be maintained,
again, you see
and
now,
for that, whatever is to be done is to be done by these two people, because they have all the wherewithal to know what is to be done and what is not to be done. We cannot decide on their behalf. We are not a part of the government.
Really? So you have no views?
It is the Home Department, the
No, so you
intelligence
have no
agencies.
views. If I ask you today...
Mr. Chari has
No. Perhaps it will appear... No, one second.
Know about it.
One second.
Times now said Masarat Alam is being left out.
Mr. Don't get...
Masarat Alam is being left out. Time now said.
Mr. Devendra Rana...
One day prior to his
Mr.
being left
Devendra
out.
Rana,
And
it
they
appears
didn't
to me tonight...
Do you want us to believe that the intelligence
No.
agencies did not know about
It appears to me tonight that if I ask you about the quality of the flower show at Rashtrapati Bhavan, you will have views on it. But I ask you about Masrat Alam, you won't. Ajay Kumar is responding to this political hypocrisy.
What? I have my views. I have
Ajay
my
Kumar,
views.
you have no
yes,
views.
No,
You
wait
passed
a minute.
the
Wait a minute.
Anyway, go back. Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar.
No discussion
What
with the
happened?
separatists.
And he was detained,
Arnab,
and our Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has put it on record what is to be said.
What, Omar
This
Abdullah?
is swear to align with the Constitution of India.
No, one second. Omar Abdullah?
No
Has
discussion
Omar
with the
Abdullah told,
separatists.
what has Omar Abdullah said? Has Omar Abdullah said, I want the rearrest of Masrat Alam? Show me, where has he said?
How can we say rearrest?
Really? So you have no views on anything? Oh, so this is the new principle.
We are nobody to tell them what they have to do.
Okay, so
We want them to
no,
maintain
one second.
peace and order.
I suggest in that case, that you convert. No. If you have no, Mr. Rana,
if
the longest
PDP,
period
BJP
of
government
peace now.
decide that
Anyway.
they want to leave
Arnab,
everybody, so be it.
no
Let them
discussion
then
with the
pay the
president.
brunt.
I am
If
only
they want to
exposed.
put
You
everything
see,
at
as far
stake,
as all
if
the
they want to
Kashmiri
bring Jammu and
political
Srinagar
parties
on
are
eyeball to
concerned-
eyeball, so be it.
I
But
have
we are
said-
only concerned about the welfare of the
Arnab.
people of
Okay,
Jammu and
so-
Kashmir. And we do not want them to get out of that peaceful atmosphere that we have provided in the
Long
last 4
lecture
years.
means nothing.
Long lecture means everything.
Long lecture means nothing.
It is not a lecture, sir.
It's
we
a
have
lecture, it's a
delivered
shallow, hollow lecture.
2011, 12, 13, 14. Peaceful. And they have acknowledged in their common minimum
Okay,
program
Ajay
that,
Kumar coming
peace
back to
is
the
there.
debate. Seshadri Chari, how much time are you giving them? Because I find...
Arnab.
No, one second.
Arnab.
Yes, Ajay Kumar.
Arnab.
Yes,
Doesn't
Ajay
matter.
Kumar.
Arnab, let me
Ajay
get in and
Kumar.
It is a
complete
part
the
of
Ajay Kumar,
democracy.
Ajay Kumar.
They have
Arnab, let me
accepted you.
complete it.
You please run the show.
Arnab,
You please run the
they
show.
should-
You tell Arnab Goswami what
Arnab,
is to be
the
done and what is
government
not
should
to be
have
done
never-
to ensure
all
peace and
the-
stability.
Sir, you
Arnab,
tell the viewers.
That is
any
your
separatist
responsibility. That is the
discussions should
responsibility
start.
of the PDP.
Arnab,
That is not
any-
our responsibility.
any
Our only
discussion
yearning is
starts
for
with-
yearning for
with
peace.
Clear, Arnab, any discussion should
Seshadri
start
Chari.
with clear mandate that they will
When
follow
he
the
says-
Constitution of India.
When he is quite silent on the fact
Arnab,
that
any
it was the
discussion.
National Conference which first offered unconditional support to PDP and they did not take it. And therefore, the cat is out of the bag today. It is this National Conference
No.
which was rejected by the people, and therefore the BJP and the PDP will solve this issue. We know how to deal with PDP.
How?
We know how to deal with separatists.
How?
We have warned the PDP.
How?
Arnab,
On your show,
Arnab,
Arnab Goswami, I am
Arnab,
warning
they're going
you
to
today.
continuously
That's what
put
we
the-
want you to do.
We will
That is
deal.
your job.
Arnab,
That is
we
your
will
job.
deal.
That is
Let
your
me
government.
tell you what will
Go
happen.
ahead.
tailors.
Do whatever you
They
want to do.
One second, one at a time.
Please ensure
They will
law and order is
continue more
maintained.
people
peace
We
and
will deal.
stability is
We don't require any
More
pontification
people
from
will be
National
released.
Conference or the Congress
National
Party
Conference
so serious
on
this.
peace.
National Conference
Tailors.
refuses
We don't
to
require
give
that.
any advice. That is what I told Arnab Goswami.
We don't
I am
require
not
that.
ready to give you any advice.
We can
Okay.
deal
So
with
you
PDP.
go ahead.
Whenever the Bharatiya Janata Party is in power, India has actually faced the maximum dangers.
And they're talking about
Congress
Shama
need
Prasad
not say
Mukherjee.
that.
They're talking about
PDP
Shama
tonight.
Prasad
Because of
Mukherjee.
Congress.
I am sure Shama Prasad Mukherjee must be turning
I am-
on what they have done to
I am
Shama Prasad
only
Mukherjee.
reflecting the views.
Prime Minister and the
One minute, just a point, just a point.
Mr. Chari
1 minute,
says we
1
know,
minute.
But the Prime Minister, no. Mr. Chari says we know, but the Prime Minister, Home Minister says
You
we
see,
don't know.
the Chief Minister
It's a
is
very
just
strange situation.
Now
Mr.
here's-
Chari says we know, but the Prime Minister, Home
What we
Minister
know?
says we don't know.
What did they say? What did I say?
You
The
said we
Prime
know what we have
Minister.
to
You
do.
said we
So
know how
please
to
do
deal
whatever
We
with
you
know
want.
what we have to
Mr.
do, I
Chari,
said.
you said we know
We
how
know
to
what
deal.
we have to
And
do.
then
The
you
Prime
send the
Minister
Parliament.
knows.
Then you send the
The
So
Prime
Mr.
Minister of the
Goswami,
country
Mr.
knows what to
Chari
do.
knows what
The
they have
Home
to
Minister
do.
of the
We
country
don't have to
knows.
tell them what they have to
We
do.
don't have to tell the viewers of Times Now. We
keep
don't
saying that I
have to
can
tell.
No, you have to.
On this
No,
panel.
Mr.
You are
Chari.
not the person
No,
who
Mr.
is-
Chari, 1 minute, 1 minute, please. Please, no, Mr. Chari. No, Mr. Chari. I asked this question tonight, 1 minute. Tonight, Mr. Chari says, 1 minute, please. Mr. Chari, 1 second, let me intervene. Mr. Chari says tonight, we don't have to tell the viewers of Times Now what we are going to do. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, Mr. Chari. But you have forfeited that right by allowing your ally to release dangerous people. You forfeited the right because tonight everywhere across India, you know what people are asking tonight, Mr. Chari? People are asking, will Ashik Hussain Fattu be released next? Will Zahur Ahmad Bhatt be released next? Will Nasir Abdullah be released next? Will all thousands of people who have violated the Indian state, created mayhem, created a law and order situation, created strategic unrest, tied up with ISI, taken money from the Pakistanis, if all these people are going to be released, then what on earth, I say today, are we going to say to the security forces of this country, Mr. Chari, you don't have that right tonight to say it's a private matter. Forming an alliance was a private matter. But on what is happening right now, we have every right.
Question of private matter.
We have every right to question you, Mr. Chari.
Statecraft. It
What
is a question of
statecraft?
diplomacy.
What statecraft
It
is
a question
this?
of security and strategy.
So, okay,
of
so
this
here's a
country.
question. What
And
security and
therefore,
strategy that compromises
these
the
things
country?
cannot be discussed on a television show. We cannot tell you what we are going to do, but we will do what is
So
required.
can I
for
ask
this
you one
country to
question,
be done.
Mr. Chari? One question.
Period.
I want to have the PDP with you.
One word,
1
please.
second. No, Rashnik, 1 minute. The PDP is also here. I just want to explain to you, Mr. Chari, and you must understand this, how dangerous the situation is. I will ask a couple of questions to the PDP representatives, you see. Now, Mr. Zafar Miraj, I have heard that Ashik Hussain Fattus sentence is going to be remitted next. The same Ashik Hussain Fattu who in 2012, for your interest, since you like legal arguments, his petition for early release was quashed on the grounds that he is a dangerous man. I have also heard that Mushtaq ul Islam, his rearrest will not be pushed for. Despite a police dossier saying in July last year there is a well-founded apprehension that this man will misuse his liberty by indulging in anti-national activities. Can you tell me today, can you give some commitment that you will not release or let go of these people? I am told you are about to.
Arnab,
And I am told you are about to very
Arnab.
soon. Now tell me I am wrong.
Arnab, I am not privy to government decisions.
No, because one second.
This is the job of the government. But
No.
as a party,
I am also told the brother of
release or
JKLF
arrest of
founder.
people like Masrat Alam and others
Masrat
is not
Alam.
going to
No.
make
I am asking you,
Kashmir
let people
disappear
know
from
this.
Indian map.
No, 1 second. Mr. Zafar, what are you talking about? Sir, I am saying tonight, there's a brother of JKLF founder, Mohammad Maqbool Bhatt. You know he was arrested under the Public Safety Act earlier this year. He has a history of being a violent troublemaker. He has been caught many times trying to cross across the LOC, right? He has served a long term with the JKLF in Pakistan, occupied Kashmir. He's been repeatedly rearrested under the Public Safety Act. This man is dangerous with a capital D, not just for Kashmir, but for all of India. My information is that he also is going to be released.
My information is, and that is a public information, that my chief minister asked his home department to review the cases of those people.
And I'm telling you, these are the people. These are the people. Why, these are the people. The people I have named are the people your chief minister is about to release. Why are you ashamed of it? Why are you ashamed of it? Then say so tonight. Say so. Then say so tonight. Then say to Mr. Chari.
He has only sought a review of the cases of those people who are basically political activists and against
Political
whom there are no
activists.
serious criminal charges.
There you are, Mr. Chari. There you are, Mr. Chari. There you are, Mr. Chari. What will you do now? No, what will you do now?
I'm not going to discuss individuals here.
No, Mr. Chari, what will you do now? You look at it, Mr. Chari. I'm telling you, my information is on the pipeline. In the next few days, the government will also not push for the further detention of
You might be having information.
Nasir. No, I'm telling you, this is a fact that otherwise say these people should not be released. They're a danger. Can you say that?
We have...
Mr. Chari, they are going to do this in the next few days. They are going to dare you and they are going to release these people. You will keep watching. You will keep watching and you will keep saying in Parliament, don't question our record on national security.
Don't say anything about all these things. If the PDP wants to test our patience,
they are testing your
patience. We know how to act on it.
When? How? In how much time? After all of them are out on the streets? Why don't you, by the way, why don't you, Mr. Chari, what if I were to say the intentions are clear, get out of the government, let there be governor's rule, rearrest all these people who have been released, but don't allow mayhem on the streets of Jammu and Kashmir. I am saying this, and all the people across this country are telling you and asking you this question, Mr. Chari, tonight. The ball is in your court, Mr. Chari.
The ball is in PDP's court.
No, sir, the ball is in your court. They are not.
Behave.
No, sir.
If they don't behave,
3 months.
They will face the consequences of not behaving in a manner that suits the national security.
Okay.
If they don't behave, they will face the consequences.
Well, I think 3 months is a very long time, Mr. Chari. And maybe in 3 days when you see the way these people behave, you will revisit it. I want everyone to go back and look back at the tape when Mufti Muhammad Saeed thanked the terrorist groups in Pakistan for letting elections happen. It was not a slip of the tongue. He was deliberately doing it. He was actually thanking them. He wants to be a man who wants to be on the right side of terrorists. A terrorist backer, a pro-Pakistan man is today ruling Jammu and Kashmir. The question tonight is how long the BJP allows this to happen. Food for thought. I thank you all for joining me on the News Hour Debate 1 tonight.